Apple's unveiling of the larger 11-inch and brand new 13-inch iPad Air models has certainly blurred the lines between the iPad Air and iPad Pro. Both lines cater to users who demand serious performance from their tablets, but choosing the right one hinges on understanding their key differences. Let's dive deeper into these distinctions to ensure you make an informed investment decision. By dissecting factors like display technology, processing power, design elements, and even price points, we can guide you toward the iPad that best suits your workflow and budget. Traditionally, the iPad Air lived up to its name by being significantly lighter and thinner than its Pro counterpart. This focus on portability wasn't as crucial for the Pro line, designed for power users who prioritize performance over weight. However, the tables have turned this year. Apple's redesigned iPad Pro lineup boasts impressive thinness and lightness, even claiming the title of their thinnest product ever. Let's talk about the display. The iPad Pro truly shines, with a groundbreaking upgrade to OLED technology, a first for iPads. This leap from LCD or Mini LED in the larger Pro model delivers superior visuals. Imagine deeper blacks, richer colors, and a peak brightness of 1,600 nits. That's some serious punch. Apple doesn't stop there. The Pro boasts a unique two-layered OLED design, further enhancing the viewing experience. But wait, there's more. The Pro offers an optional nano-texture glass finish, a matte dream for artists and anyone battling reflections. And let's not forget the buttery-smooth 120Hz promotion refresh rate, available on both the new 11-inch and 13-inch models. This ensures seamless animations and scrolling, a joy for both work and play. The iPad Air isn't a slouch in the display department either. Its Super Retina XDR display, now also available in 11-inch and 13-inch options, remains a fantastic LCD panel. It offers sharp resolution, supports multiple HDR formats, and delivers a great viewing experience. However, compared to the Pro, it lacks the magic of OLED technology, the silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and the option for a matte display. The iPad Pro reigns supreme as Apple's ultimate performance machine. It boasts the exclusive privilege of utilizing the latest and greatest M-series chipsets, the desktop-class powerhouses that have revolutionized tablets. This year's Pro takes things a step further with the brand new M4 chip, delivering a staggering 50% CPU performance jump over its predecessor, the M2. Features like ray tracing support make it the ideal canvas for demanding creative tasks like video editing, animation, and working with massive files. While the iPad Air isn't quite the muscle king, it deserves recognition as the only other M-series contender in the iPad lineup. The 2024 Air steps up its game with the M2 chip, a significant upgrade from the M1 found in the 2022 model. This transformation solidifies the Air's position as a processing powerhouse in the tablet realm, just a notch below the untouchable iPad Pro. Prior to the 2024 update, the iPad Air offered a compelling value proposition. Compatibility with the premium Apple Pencil 2 and Magic Keyboard allowed users to achieve professional-grade workflows at a more accessible price point compared to the iPad Pro line. However, the latest iteration of the iPad Pro further distinguishes itself through a broader accessory ecosystem. Notably, the refreshed Magic Keyboard boasts an enhanced aluminum trackpad with haptic feedback that seamlessly mirrors the user experience on Mac computers. Additionally, dedicated shortcut keys offer greater control over functionalities such as display brightness. The Apple Pencil Pro introduces a suite of innovative features designed to elevate the creative experience. A new squeeze interaction, akin to that found on AirPods Pro, facilitates rapid access to a brush or pen selection palette. Furthermore, an integrated haptic engine provides tactile feedback during drawing, while a gyroscope enables orientation adjustments for shaped pens and brushes. Finally, Find My Support ensures users can locate their Apple Pencil Pro with ease. While the new iPad Pro boasts undeniable muscle with its cutting-edge M4 chip, OLED display, and innovative accessories, it comes at a premium price. The 11-inch iPad Pro starts at a hefty $1,199, jumping to $1,299 for the 13-inch version. On the other hand, the iPad Air positions itself as a value champion. starting at a much more budget-friendly $599 for the 11-inch model and $799 for the 13-inch. It offers a powerful M2 chip, a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display, and compatibility with key accessories like the Apple Pencil 2 and Magic Keyboard. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your needs and budget. Do you require the absolute best performance and features, regardless of cost? Then the iPad Pro is your champion. However, if you prioritize affordability while still seeking a powerful and versatile tablet, the iPad Air is a compelling option. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.